Title is Expanding Expressions, and we're going to be looking at how to expand single and double brackets. Equipment required for this lesson is a pen and paper and a pencil. Okay, so expanding single brackets. What this means is I need to multiply everything on the outside of the bracket by everything on the inside of the bracket. Okay, to do this I will deal with each term one at a time. Okay, so first example, on the outside I've got 2, and then inside the bracket I've got y plus 8. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 times y first, which is 2y, and then 2 times plus 8, which is plus 16. Okay, I've expanded that bracket. Next example, I'm going to do 5 times n, which is 5n, and then 5 times minus 2, which is minus 10. Okay. Next example, on the outside I've got 4a, and inside the brackets I've got y plus 2. Same steps. I'm going to do 4a times y, which is 4ay, and then 4a times plus 2, which is plus 8a. Okay, remember I'm not trying to solve anything, I'm just expanding the bracket. Okay, last example for single brackets, 4a times 2a is 8a squared. Remember, a times a will give me a squared, so 8a squared, and then 4a times minus 3 is minus 12a. Okay, copy these examples out please. Right, we're now going to be looking at expanding and simplifying double brackets. Okay, now in between these two brackets is an invisible multiplication sign. Okay, what that means is I want to multiply everything in this bracket by everything in this bracket. Okay, now to do this we're going to follow the method which is called FOIL. Okay, first, outer, inner, last. We're going to follow this method to make sure that we multiply everything in one bracket by everything in the second bracket. Okay, I want you to copy out each step as I go through it please. Alright, following the method of FOIL, I first multiply the first terms in each bracket. Okay, so I label this number 1 for you to follow. So x times x is x squared. I then do my outer. Okay, so I label this number 2 for you to follow. X times plus 2. Okay, so plus 2x. I then do my inner. Okay, I'll label this number 3 for you to follow. Plus 1 times x is plus 1x, or just plus x, but we'll write it as plus 1x for now. Okay, I then do my last, which is plus 1 times plus 2. I'll label this number 4 for you to follow. So plus 1 times plus 2, 1 times 2 is 2. Now because we've done it in the order of FOIL, this middle bit over here will always simplify. Okay, so 2x add 1x is 3x. I'll then write out my expression again. Okay, so I get x squared plus 3x plus 2, and that is my final expression after expanding these double brackets. Okay, next example on how to expand double brackets. Again, remember there is an invisible multiplication sign in the middle, in between both brackets. Okay, which means multiply one bracket by the other. So everything in one bracket has to be multiplied by everything in the other bracket. We're going to follow the method of FOIL. So for first, outer, inner, last. Okay, as we done in the previous example. Okay, I will do n times n first, which is n squared. I will then do my outer, which is n times plus 8, which is plus 8n. Then I will do my inner, so plus 7 times n plus 7n. And then I will do my last, 7 times 8, so plus 7 times plus 8, I get plus 56. Because I've done it in the order of FOIL, this middle bit over here will always simplify. 8n add 7n is 15n. I then write out my final expression again. Okay, so I've got n squared plus 15n plus 56. Okay, that is the final expression after expanding these double brackets. I now want you to have a go at these questions on your own. Okay, if you are in set 4, I want you to do a few from red, move on to amber, and then challenge yourselves with the mastered section. If you're in set 5, I want you to complete all of red and then move on to amber and have a go at them as well. Okay, once you are done, take a picture and upload it onto ClassCharts.